What happened to your PlayStation, you said, sir?
My brother accidentally stepped on the HDMI, and I don't know, I heard a click, and I asked Sony what to do about it, and they said my warranty's gone. So I came to you, because, you know, you're the doctor.
Don't worry. I got you.
Alright, we're gonna test PlayStation to see if it's working or not. It's already broken, but let's see if it's going to display anything on the TV. Alright, turned on. It's not displaying anything on the TV. Watch until the end to see the customer reaction. It is the HDMI. Let's go!
Which games you have?
All these.
Fortnite?
Yeah, Fortnite.
Current. Okay.
GTA.
Lessons go here at Anfield ahead of what should be an enthralling night of football. I'm Derek Ray, perched here on the commentary gantry, and sitting alongside me to provide expert analysis is Stuart Rawson. I'm looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League coming right up. It is Liverpool facing Manchester City.
Yes, thanks as always, Derek.
Keep playing, keep playing.
Penalty.
Which team are you? You are Liverpool?
And the penalty is diverted. A goal it is, and now he can exhale. Might be able to catch him. Liverpool free kick coming up. Opportunity to deliver the cross. Oh, the crossbar is still reverberating.
Because you have Salah, that's why.
Yeah, exactly.
Threats over for now. Oh, in with a chance.
What's going on? 2-0 already? Yeah.
So, Tom, it's been a while.
Celebrating. Luis Diaz. Here's Kovacic. Holland. And that's a really fine piece of work defensively. Really good build-up, but no end product. Can they convert? Chance maybe, and the keeper has it.
Come on, we need at least one goal.
Alright, I got you.
Well, what a great first save that was. How did he stop that? Could be threatening. Surely.
Uh-huh.
Oh, great goalkeeping. Well, that's a top quality save. Great anticipation. Can he deliver it with accuracy? Just a bit too much height on the header. Well, he met it well, but just couldn't keep it down. That's a chance. Good effective pressure high up the pitch. Holland. Take it away. Well, a joy to watch. And defending always has to be a team effort. Good piece of covering. Thiago distributing shrewdly.
Good. Good. Good job.
I think that's good.
That's good.
Yep.
Check if it's overheating. If it's overheating, check. No?
No, it's nice and cold.
Good. Your PlayStation is ready, sir.
Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
I tested it out. It was great. I lost the game.
It's okay.
Yeah, but thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you.